Ahoy, shipmates! It's a slightly breezy but sunny and cloudy afternoon here in the port of Southampton. I thought we'd have a little look at the Marella Explorer. She's just coming away from the city cruise terminal, swinging about, ready to go on a little journey. You might be asking yourself, where is this little journey that she's going on? Well, it's not very far, and in fact she'll be meeting up with a couple of other Marella ships. So she's starting off here in Southampton, going down Southampton Water, around Brambles Bank where the cricket match is, through the water, past Portsmouth, round the Nab Tower, and stopping here in the Nab Anchorage, where there are a number of Marella cruise ships, the Marella Explorer 2 and the Marella Discovery. There's also a number of oil tankers there and cargo ships. It's a popular location for dropping anchor and waiting for a designated slot for your time to come into port and load up with goods, change over your crew or whatever it is you can do these days. The Marella Explorer has had a few names. She was the Galaxy from 96 to 2008, and then the Celebrity Galaxy from 2008 to 2009. 2009 to 2010 she was Mine Chief. 2010 to 2018 Mine Chief 1. And from 2018 onwards she's the Marella Explorer, costing a whopping $320 million, and launched in, well, May 1996. Weighing in at 76,000 gross tons, a length of 260 metres. Beamer 32. 10 passenger decks. And twin propellers. Capacity is 1,924 passengers and 909 crew. Seems like a fairly good crew to passenger ratio. As you can see, the late afternoon sun is casting some lovely shadows here on the water. The clouds are giving us a interesting dappled light on the water. Apparently in 1998 there was a docu-soap on the BBC, and it was filmed on the Marella Explorer, or then as she was known, the Galaxy. I believe you can see that on the bow. That is the swimming pool or hot tub. I'd like to believe that some of these are available only for staff. Looks like a little bit of a helicopter landing pad on the just above the bridge. Oh yes, wonderful colours this morning, or this afternoon I should say. Yeah, there she goes, past the Britannia and the Queen Victoria and the Azora. Look at that, it's like a Mediterranean car park. But I thought I'd try my hand at something different. What do you think? Prefer this one? Or that one? Sound a bit like an optician, don't I? The left eye or the right eye? Anyway, well, let me know what you think about my slightly jazzed up photo. As the Marella Explorer slips away off down the Solent. In fact, the Marella Explorer is going to be one of the first cruise ships back in action. She will set sail from Corfu in early July. The Marella Explorer 2 will set sail from the UK quite interesting to see that some of the operators are thinking of coming back cruising, whereas other operators are laying off lots of crew. I suppose it's a complicated balance with your business models and predicting what may happen with various lockdowns. Could also be easier on the smaller cruise ships, I suppose. Perhaps the restaurants aren't quite so packed, not so many people, less activities. I don't know. Well, until next time, shipmates.